at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yeah, she's been a humble queen, but it's her birthday and we celebrating with the crew.
All right, first ride up is the studio tour.
Also, as a reminder, prior to boarding the ride vehicle, you will be asked to sanitize your hands.
Okay, we're about to get on the studio tour. We hear that Whoville's out and there's some Halloween Horror Nights mazes. Let's go! TT's here.
I just like the kick every time.
TT!
No, but it's like a little kick. It's like,
We haven't been on the studio tram tour in forever. Last time we were here, we were on Fast and the Furious, which I hope we can skip.
Why do you want to skip Fast and the Furious? See, honestly, I like it because I just like to feel the wind in my face and I love water effects, so spray me, shake me, shake me.
7, please.
Ready? Go ahead. You just do 1 and 2.
Thank you. And man, one of my favorite things about the studio tram tour is being able to see Lakeside Golf Course. Miss you, Grandpa.
By because they are actively recording today on the lot.
Why are you trying to catch me up doing stuff?
And placed up on your screen. Private property.
You know, I love me some Luda and tequila.
Look at this, guys. Everyone loves the backside, especially of Nintendo Land.
Backside of Nintendo square feet, allowing us to do some of these scenes inside.
And look how tall this is going to be for Nintendo Land. Like, this is huge. What are your thoughts on Nintendo Land?
I'm honestly super excited about it. I haven't watched the previews of the ride. I know people say it's slow, apparently, but I don't mind screens, and as long as I get to be on Mario Kart, I'm ready.
Yeah, run away.
We survived King Kong confrontation. No, honestly, I'm so shook right now, but I will say, King Kong is the greatest. He the king.
Oh, gosh, that was great. All right, next part of the tram, we're gonna see some cars, some picture cars.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Literally right in my face. Dead in my eyes.
He's got
Jurassic Park is and how it combined effects.
Oh my
I'll show you
gosh,
what I'm talking about. This is from the movie The Lost World. So this is the RV that we just passed. The RV is made of wood.
This is how you know where the mouse pad scoop.
We had to make it a lot lighter weight. It's on a digital cliff. This was actually all shot off the side of our parking garage.
Also, it hasn't been acknowledged on camera yet today, but Ashley, Nika, and I all have Jurassic World, Jurassic Park looks. We represent.
camo.
No, well, I tried, and then it turned into
Our
renovation on
actors,
the
Julia
top.
Moore, Vince Vaughn.
And here we are at the world famous Amity Island. And look, they got Jaws. That's Jaws right there. They totally caught him. Everything's fine. It's safe. Whoop.
I see a shark. So we do have a diver in the water.
Get out of there. Oh, there he is. Oh, too late. Too late for this guy. He's just probably blowing bubbles with him. He's okay. They're friends. Oh! No. Is it?
Okay.
No, it's food coloring.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna go for here. sure to be safe behind all of the gasoline barrels.
What's happening? Alright, and this is the former Whoville set. Now gone. Now it's a parking lot.
Mr. Bean's Holiday, The Mummy Returns, the Do's
Put
and
some cars
Don'ts from
here.
that.
That'll do.
Fast and Furious cars. Even Beetlejuice's hearse is sitting back there. He would come out in the park sometimes riding on top of his hearse.
Nothing happened. Don't worry, I got this. Why don't you get on the bridge? Under construction. Hit the nitrous.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That was amazing.
It's broken. Look at the room.
you guys can see what this looks like with lights on.
Oh, okay.
Little surprise.
Preview.
You know, when Vin Diesel helps you out, he turns the lights on.
Vin Diesel knocked my mask off. I told you this is the spot to come. We're doing a Hogwarts breakfast with a view.
We are waiting for the rest of our squad right now to get their breakfast, but Tetris has been raving about this place having the best breakfast out of any theme park food, and we're excited to try it.
I mean, look at Nick's plate. He got the English breakfast, and I got American breakfast, so I'm a little basic, but I can't wait to try this bacon.
Woo! Oh, that's even better.
I went with the English breakfast, and this is basically a smorgasbord of all my favorite things. Beans, sausage, bacon, potatoes, croissant. Can't get any better, and they have sauteed mushrooms. I haven't had English breakfast before, but I love all these things, so here's my first bite. Whoa, so good. The beans are awesome. One more bite. 5 out of 5 vibes. I love this. Now a little bit of potatoes. Oh my God. That's best.
When it's good, it's good. You gotta get the salt, gotta get the peppers, you know, but it's so basic looking, but also so delicious looking. I mean, I'm just gonna go right in. Perfectly scrambled eggs. Let's get some potato. Oh, I missed this place. Oh. 5 out of 5 vibes. My God, I miss Universal Studios. Thank you. Hey, how are you enjoying your birthday, Ashley?
Like the Slytherin champagne that we got.
Hey, are you enjoying your brunch?
Sure am. Sure am. English breakfast.
The breakfast was good. You guys were right. It was really good.
Right?
Yeah.
Was it worth getting up?
Yes, it was worth getting up early.
I mean,
Guys.
How many vibes would you give the breakfast, brother?
4.5.
Ooh.
I give it 5.
With my Slytherin beverage? 5. 5.
All right, we just finished our breakfast over here at Three Broomsticks, and Tetris is right. That is a 5 out of 5. Great breakfast. Get the English breakfast. It's better than the American breakfast.
Is it? Is it? I don't know.
Over here at Secret Life with Pets, we're about to get on right now, and they are diligent on this reservation system.
It's gonna be Nick's first time on Secret Life of Pets, and we can't stop talking about it. And I'm so excited for you to experience it.
Hey, little guys!
So you, how do I put this delicately, you're strays?
Wouldn't it be great if someone could just adopt all of them?
Sure, but they don't exactly look house trained.
Yeah, that's the secret headquarters of Captain Snowball. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. Also, It is your kids' room.
So if you know the mouse vibes and you know Universal Studios, they have the infamous escalators right behind us, which means we're in store for a Tetris dance party right now.
So when we get on the escalators, we dance.
Tough job? Hey, nicely done. You're gonna lose your camera. You did great though. Now that guy didn't flinch. Nerves of steel, which is excellent. It's important not to run because she will track that motion.
Instructions and precautions.
Hold on to your butts, Jurassic World the Ride. Back row before sunset. Oh my god! Woo! My mask fell off!
That was so much fun!
Alright, and that's gonna wrap up everything in today at Universal Studios Hollywood.
I had the best birthday ever. We got to see the Indominus Rex. We got to cut all the lines! Woo! Yeah!
If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe.
And if you're not, thanks for stopping by.